I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. A ridge of high pressure continues to build eastward onto the plains, keeping it dry with very mild temperatures through most of Tuesday. After near record highs in the 60s this afternoon and near critical fire weather conditions, a cold front drops in from the northeast, lowering most of our highs for tomorrow and Saturday into the 50s to the low 60s. Southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas rebound on Saturday to highs in the mid to upper 60s. The warming trend resumes Sunday with widespread 60s. Monday, our mildest day with highs in the upper 60s to the low 70s. Fire weather concerns are elevated for the weekend and Monday with low humidity and occasionally gusty winds. With the passage of a cold front, there are occasional low-end chances of rain and snow Tuesday into Wednesday. Highs drop into the 50s Tuesday and the mid to upper 40s on Wednesday. Long-term forecast continues the trend of warmer than normal temperatures for Nebraska and Kansas Tuesday through February 18th. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation Tuesday through February 18th expected to be slightly above normal. The regional drought monitor shows Nebraska remains 19% drought-free, which includes areas along and east of a line from Pender to Seward, Hastings, and Red Cloud. Most of the rest of central, northeast, and western Nebraska are abnormally dry to a moderate drought. 12% of Nebraska continues in severe drought, including locations from Mullen to the southern two-thirds of the Panhandle. Kansas dropped 8 percentage points, but is 75% drought-free, including a large majority of the state from the west to the east central. There was an 8 percentage point increase in abnormal dryness, including from Phillips to Cheyenne County, far southern areas from Liberal to Ashland, around Harper County, and far eastern locations south of I-70. Moderate drought coverage increased a percentage point to 5% of Kansas, which now includes western Cheyenne County and several counties in the southeast corner. Key weather factors affecting the markets include warmer weather in the U.S. and Argentina rain chances. On the plains, winter wheat conditions were mostly stable last month, although Nebraska reported an increase of 18 to 37% in wheat, rated very poor to poor. Dry weather dominates the U.S. the next 5 days. Aside from lingering precipitation today across the lower southeast, snow showers today through tomorrow in the Great Lakes and Northeast, and weekend rain and snow in the Pacific Northwest. Continuing warmer than normal temperatures from the Pacific coast to the plains compares with very cold weather in the Great Lakes and Northeast. By early next week, warmer air continues to spread eastward, encompassing much of the south and the southern and western Corn Belt. Across Argentina, some of the driest areas saw heavier rainfall yesterday, but few areas saw more than an inch. Rain moves north through Argentina today through tomorrow, but is more limited. More active weather and a couple of waves of rain are possible next week in Argentina, possibly reversing their decline in crop conditions. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.